So this could be fun or it could be a disaster, who knows. A little while ago I saw somebody unpicking their sewing online somewhere on social media using a nose hair trimmer. In fact, it was one exactly like this. So I jumped online, ordered myself one from Amazon. I think it was about $3.99, and I'm gonna give it a go. So I don't really know how best to do this. They seem to kind of slide it down, but I'm going to just turn it on and see what happens. I think I might need to get it started first. Get through my back tacks anyway. They literally slid this thing in and went zoop zoop, and it all came undone. Oh, I felt one go. Oh. Okay, so it is working, although not as seamlessly as seen on social media, but then that's no surprise, is it? So far I could have done more of this with the seam ripper. Maybe I just need to get my angles right. I'm going to do this in real time because I want you to see how long it actually takes. I seem to be getting a bit of a motion on. I guess this would be good if you were doing dark thread and you couldn't see your stitches. Or it's not coping very well with thick seams. I'm just going to do the last bit with a normal seam ripper just to see how much quicker or slower it is. And yes, I know you can slide your seam ripper in with the ball underneath and cut through like that, but I always end up ripping holes in my fabric if I do that. It seems to be working okay now, but certainly with dressmaking I don't like to do that because I end up damaging my work. There we go, got to the end. So, what's the verdict? Social media wasn't lying. A nose trimmer does work as an unpicker. Not sure that I'm sold on the idea. What do you think?